Imagine you're scrolling through your social media and you see a friend posting about a great deal they got on FavePay. You're intrigued and start to wonder if FavePay could be a game changer for your shopping habits. But one question keeps nagging at you: does using FavePay actually earn you credit card points? Today, we're diving deep into that question. So, grab your favorite snack, settle in, and let's find out together. FavePay is a popular mobile app that offers a wide range of deals and discounts on various products and services. From dining and shopping to travel and entertainment, FavePay has something for everyone. But when it comes to credit card points, the question remains, is it worth it? How credit card points work? Before we dive into FavePay, let's quickly recap how credit card points work. Essentially, when you use your credit card to make purchases, you earn points that can be redeemed for rewards like travel, merchandise, or cash back. These points are typically calculated based on the amount you spend. FavePay and credit card points. Now, let's get to the heart of the matter. Does using FavePay earn you credit card points? Well, the answer is both yes and no. When FavePay doesn't earn points. Direct payments. If you use FavePay's direct payment feature to pay for a purchase, you won't earn credit card points. This is because you're essentially using FavePay's wallet to make the payment, bypassing your credit card. When FavePay can earn points. Third-party payments. However, if you use FavePay to find a deal on a product or service and then pay for it using your credit card directly with the merchant, you can earn credit card points. This is because you're using your credit card to make the purchase, even though you found the deal through FavePay. Tips for maximizing points. Check merchant policies. Always double-check the merchant's policies to ensure that they allow credit card payments for FavePay deals. Some merchants may have restrictions or exclusions. Use FavePay wisely. While FavePay can be a great way to save money, it's important to use it wisely. Don't let the deals tempt you to spend more than you can afford. Consider other rewards. If you're primarily interested in earning credit card points, you might want to focus on using your credit card for everyday purchases rather than relying solely on FavePay deals. So, does FavePay earn credit card points? The answer is, it depends. If you use FavePay to find deals and then pay with your credit card directly with the merchant, you can earn points. However, if you use FavePay's direct payment feature, you won't. The best approach is to use FavePay strategically, combining it with your credit card usage to maximize rewards. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.